We do a lot of cool projects here at Ashtec. Involved a lot of different things with metalworking, electronics, and assembly.
25 years ago, with a very special product made for a certain engine that made it very easy to change a fuel filter. Once we had that product moving, we got more machines, more customers, and that turned into what you see here today.
Some of the challenges are sometimes there's nobody to ask for help. You have to figure it out for yourself. You can't really pass the problem off to someone else. I like the sense of accomplishment that you get from manufacturing stuff. We get to work a lot with the amusement industry, and it's really interesting to take your family to an amusement park and say, hey, your dad made that, or your uncle made that, you know.
Our vision really is to become a national chain of one-stop shop solutions. So basically anywhere you would go, you would be able to get the same kind of quality and performance out of all of the different disciplines in metalworking and get a top-notch product from Ashtec.
Because we make a lot of different products. We don't just make widgets every day where you're standing on the assembly line. It's every day something new, something different, and it makes the day go quicker.
We pretty much do everything when it comes to metal manufacturing. See that we have machining, we have fabrication, we have powder coating, a lot of things that are individually done at many shops. We brought them all under one roof so we can do bigger projects and take care of it all.
Well, just graduated last year, so started here, was doing co-op with STC, and then came here and now I weld.
I went to Penn State University, and then I went to Alvernia University for business management, and I spent my career in manufacturing because I'm a hands-on type of person, so I enjoy making things.